Starting a salon business in Kenya is one of the most practical ways to earn a steady income and build a long-term livelihood. Many people, both men and women, need grooming services regularly. Hair grows every week, styles change often, and people always want to look neat and attractive. This creates a constant demand for salon services in towns, estates, and even rural areas. If you plan well and stay consistent, a salon can grow from a small setup into a strong and respected business. Before you begin, it is important to understand that a salon business is not just about styling hair. It is about serving people, building trust, and offering comfort. Customers do not only come for hair services, they also come for a good experience. They want to feel relaxed, respected, and confident after visiting your salon. This means your attitude, cleanliness, and customer care matter just as much as your skills. The first step is to decide the type of salon you want to start. You can open a ladies' salon, a barbershop, or a unisex salon. A ladies' salon mainly offers services like braiding, weaving, relaxing, and wig installation. A barbershop focuses on haircuts, shaving, and grooming for men and children. A unisex salon combines both, which can help you attract a wider range of customers. If you are starting with limited capital, you can begin with one category and expand later. Location plays a very big role in your success. A good location should have many people passing by daily. Estates, market centers, near bus stops, and busy streets are ideal places. Rent in such places can vary. In smaller towns, you may pay around 5,000 Kenya shillings per month, while in busy areas of big towns, rent can go up to 30,000 Kenya shillings or more. Do not rush to choose an expensive location. It is better to start in an affordable place with good traffic than to struggle with high rent. After choosing your location, you need to register your business and get the required permits. In Kenya, you must register your business name. This process is simple and can be done online. After that, you need a single business permit from your county government. You will also need a public health certificate to show that your salon meets hygiene standards. These licenses may cost between 5,000 Kenya shillings and 15,000 Kenya shillings, depending on your county. Once your paperwork is ready, you can focus on setting up your salon. Start by cleaning and painting the space. A clean and attractive salon makes customers feel comfortable. Choose bright colors and good lighting. Mirrors should be placed properly so that clients can see themselves clearly. Even if your budget is small, aim for neatness and order. You will need basic equipment to run your salon. These include salon chairs, mirrors, a hair dryer, a blow dryer, clippers, towels, and a water basin. You will also need products such as shampoo, conditioner, hair oil, and styling gel. The cost of equipment can vary widely. You can spend between 20,000 Kenya shillings and 80,000 Kenya shillings, depending on quality and quantity. If you are starting small, you can buy second-hand items in good condition to reduce costs. It is also important to stock your salon with products that your customers will need. These include braiding hair, weaves, wigs, and hair treatment products. Buying in bulk can help you save money. However, do not overstock at the beginning. Start with the most common items and increase your stock as your business grows. Skills are very important in this business. If you do not have salon skills, consider taking a short course or learning from an experienced stylist. You can also hire a skilled worker to help you. Many salon owners pay their workers using a commission system. For example, a worker may receive 40% of what they earn, while the owner keeps 60%. This helps motivate workers to serve customers well and bring in more business. Customer service can make or break your salon. Always greet your customers with a smile. Listen to what they want and try your best to meet their expectations. Keep your salon clean at all times. Wash towels regularly and sterilize your tools. A clean environment builds trust and keeps customers coming back. Pricing your services correctly is also important. If your prices are too high, you may lose customers. If they are too low, you may not make enough profit. Study what other salons in your area are charging and set your prices slightly competitive. You can also offer packages or discounts to attract more customers, especially when you are just starting. Marketing your salon is necessary if you want to grow. Start by telling people in your area about your business. You can use word of mouth, which is very powerful. Ask your happy customers to refer their friends. You can also use social media platforms to showcase your work. Take clear photos of hairstyles you create and post them regularly. This helps you reach more people and build your brand. As your business grows, you should keep track of your income and expenses. Write down how much money you make each day and how much you spend. This helps helps you understand whether your business is making a profit. It also helps you plan for the future. For example, you can decide when to buy new equipment or hire more workers. One of the biggest advantages of a salon business is daily cash flow. Unlike some businesses that take time to generate income, a salon earns money every day. Even small services like haircuts or washing can add up to a good amount by the end of the day. With consistent work, you can recover your startup capital within a few months. However, there are also challenges you should be prepared for. Competition can be high, especially in busy areas. To stand out, you need to offer quality service and maintain good customer relationships. Another challenge is managing workers. Some workers may leave suddenly or fail to meet expectations. It is important to set clear rules and maintain professionalism. Electricity and water supply are also important in a salon. You need power for dryers and clippers and water for washing hair. Make sure your location has reliable utilities. You can also have backup solutions such as storing water or using alternative power sources if possible. Growth in a salon business comes with consistency and smart decisions. Once your first salon is stable, you can think about expanding. You may add new services such as facials, makeup, or massage. You can also open another branch in a different location. Some salon owners even start selling their own beauty products. Building a strong brand is another way to grow. Choose a unique name for your salon and use it consistently. Create a simple logo and use it on your signage, social media, and packaging. A strong brand helps customers remember your business and trust your services. Saving and reinvesting your profits is key to long-term success. Instead of spending all your earnings, set aside some money to improve your business. You can upgrade your equipment, improve your space, or invest in training. Small improvements can make a big difference over time. Another important factor is time management. A salon can be busy, especially on weekends and holidays. Plan your time well and avoid overworking yourself. If you have workers, assign duties clearly so that everything runs smoothly. Taking care of your health is also important because this business can be physically demanding. Understanding your customers is very helpful. Different customers have different preferences. Some want quick and simple styles, while others want detailed and trendy looks. Pay attention to what your customers like and adjust your services accordingly. This helps you stay relevant and competitive. Technology can also help your salon grow. You can use your phone to manage bookings, communicate with customers, and promote your services. Some salon owners use simple apps to track appointments and manage their business. Even basic use of technology can improve efficiency and customer satisfaction. In the long run, discipline and patience will determine your success. A salon business may not become very profitable immediately, but with time, effort, and consistency, it can grow into a strong source of income. Many successful salon owners started with very little, but built their businesses step by step. Always be open to learning. Trends in the beauty industry change often. New hairstyles, products, and techniques come up every year. Stay updated by watching tutorials, attending workshops, or learning from others. This helps you offer modern services and attract more customers. In conclusion, starting a salon business in Kenya is a smart and achievable goal. With proper planning, good customer service, and consistent effort, you can build a successful and profitable business. Start small, stay focused, and grow step by step. Your salon can become not just a place of beauty, but also a strong foundation for your financial independence and future success.